Hey guys, my package just got delivered and we're going to unbox the Nintendo Powers. I'm gonna get the camera on the right side and we'll get started. We got this one and this one. I'm gonna do this one first since it's smaller. Yeah. Okay. Go. Okay. Yeah, it's in there. See which one this is. Okay, Coast Books. Okay, taking this off. Wow, this is crazy packaging. A little bit. Okay. Take this off. Nintendo. Okay. Yeah, Track and Field 2, Issue 3! Oh my gosh, guys, this is insane. Issue 3 in my house. Awesome. This is amazing. The third issue made. 1988. It doesn't even have volumes at the time. Oh my gosh, awesome. Okay, we're gonna do the second one right here. Let's see, where's the thing? Ah, here we go. Okay, now I just gotta, yep, 2 of them. The rest are in here. We got the thing right here. I don't know, some of the packaging is on these things. They're a little tricky to figure out. But, oh yeah, I found it. Here's issue 5. I can't believe it. Issue 5 right here. Awesome. These are in great condition too. Oh my gosh. Issue 3 and issue 5. Okay, this last one. Wait, hold on. Never mind. That's all of them. But yeah, I can't believe that. There's one more coming in, and I got issue 3 and 5. I can't believe this. Yeah, that's insane. Okay, guys. So we have a problem with the Metroid one, though. We're gonna put tape on it because it's just the back is coming off. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.